Hi, this is Sue Ann Fang from Keller Williams Advantage, and here's what you get for $2,500 at 3 Greystone Walk. This beautiful condo has a large open area, formal dining room, great area for entertaining, lots of space to put furniture. And one of the beautiful things about this is, look at that view. So that is all the way down to Lake Ontario, and you can see the spire there at that is on Shine Drive, where the monastery is, and you get a wraparound view of the lake. Very nice. Swinging around, we're going to take a look at the second bedroom. So here's the smaller bedroom, good size for a double bed. You have some storage right here. Coming back out again into the kitchen. So the kitchen's been renovated and the appliances are, I think, about 2 years old. The landlord put in some really nice stainless steel appliances here. And we have stone counters, double sink, ensuite laundry in a room that's got a little bit of storage with some shelving at the back. And now come on and see the primary bedroom. This is huge. It easily fits a king size bed along that wall. We have a great walk-in closet. I wish I had this kind of closet in my house. That would be super. And it has a lovely full ensuite bathroom that's all been updated and renovated. And then it has an attached solarium or sunroom, so you can use this for guests. You can use it as a work from home space. The previous renters were using that as a rent from home office, a work from home office. And then we're going to come back along, and here is the second full bathroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks so much. If you want to see more or book a private showing, my number is 416-562-5002.